So here I am. It's our first winter at Pricklethicket, and we were not ready. We knew we weren't ready, but sometimes you just gotta go through it to figure out what you need. So the good things, the little wood stove, awesome, works great. I did have to learn to clean the chimney out, and I took tons of creosote out of there this morning so it would burn properly, but I learned. I got lots of food. We have a small generator that runs everything, and plenty of gas, because we knew the power was going to go out, and guess what? The power went out. It's been out since early yesterday morning, and considering the damage and all the trees falling down, who knows when it'll be back on. They did say like around midnight tonight, but I'm not holding my breath. So the bad, our water system was completely not set up for winter. We have an outdoor shower, we have an outdoor on-demand hot water heater, and then we have a 65-gallon tank with a hose that just goes from the tank to inside to the hovel on the outside with just a little spigot. Yes, we have heat tape. Yes, we have little 12-volt pads, but if you don't have power, none of those things work. So the water is frozen. I went ahead and disconnected all of the outdoor plumbing, drained it, and won't use it until this big 2-week storm or whatever is over. I hope I can get the tank and water running so I can at least have cold running water. If I can't, I just can't. I'll use gallons of water, and that's what it's gonna be. Won't be the first time. So we definitely need to get something set up. Another fail is I do have the firewood stacked next to the house under the eaves, and I got quite a bit of firewood, so that was good. But because it was snow and it blew on the firewood. So my firewood's wet. I can knock some of it off, but it doesn't all come off. So it makes it hard to start the fire in the morning because everything's damp and it doesn't want to start. I need to build some kind of probably at least 3-foot deep box next to the house so that the firewood won't get snow, and a curtain would be good. What else? I don't know. The birds are happy because I've been feeding them. The dog's happy because he's sleeping where it's warm and dry. So there's a lot that worked out, but we definitely need to get our water and our firewood situated. The other thing I would like to have, you can probably hear the generator running in the background. I would like to get a 50 amp hour lithium battery for in here because I hate the sound of the generator. It's loud, it's annoying, and really the only necessary power is, the lights and the water pump are both wired for 12 volts, so they would run directly off the battery, and it would be nice to just have a battery that I could charge with the generator and then shut the generator off and not have to listen to it. So lessons learned, and yay for the next 2 weeks of winter. I'm sure I'll figure some more stuff out. Have a great day.